It's always so weird filming in here. Hi, John.
Hi.
I stole your drink. How do you feel about that? Love you. You guys can't see it, but he's giving me the evil stare. Hey guys, what's up? It's Ash and welcome back to my Chronicles. I am all dressed up and looking decent today because it's Saturday, aka my happy day. I kind of liking these celestial vibes that I got going on. Today, I am going to decorate our apartment and fallify it. Since school is coming up and I'm going to have zero downtime, might as well get all the fall stuff out the way. So I'm gonna take some time and I'm going to put up the Halloween / fall decorations that I have in this thing. Oh my gosh, you guys can't even see me. In this crate right here. I don't know why I'm yelling, I'm sorry. I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get started. Let's decorate. I don't know why I always make weird faces when I turn on my camera. You have seen him in the intro. Oh, okay. I guess we're doing like a patty cake type thing. Oh wait, no, it's like that. Here is my assistant today, my amazing fiance, John.
They got more in frame.
So we're gonna go through these decorations. I don't know if this is a good thing or a bad thing, but I completely forgot what's in here. And it's only been like a year. So it's basically gonna be like Christmas, but it's actually for Halloween. Woo! Blanket, which is probably gonna just go on the couch. Got a really awesome wreath from, you guessed it, Target. That's my favorite store in the world. Whatever. We got a fall pillow right here. The pumpkin. The beautiful pumpkin.
You little pumpkin.
This piece that I found at Joann's, it says, fall is my favorite color. Got another pumpkin. Got this at the dollar spot at Target.
It lights up too.
Yep. So. If the battery.
Oh, battery's died.
No, it's not.
Oh.
It's just that
It's not very bright.
Yeah, it's not bright, and I think it's meant for like nighttime.
Oh, yeah.
And also, it was from the dollar section.
Yeah.
So. That explains a lot. This plushie that my friend, my high school friend Julie gave me for, I believe, my birthday. And so it's like a little cute, like little bear with like a cat costume. And it has a little pumpkin. And the pumpkin is like a cat. It's like, oh. Okay, I'm cringe. I'm sorry, guys. You guys didn't see it, but a bunch of stuff just fell over, but nothing's broken, so that's good. We have this candle that I got from, geez, why am I forgetting my store name? Michael's. It's pumpkin pie scent. It smells so good. And finally we got Sally Pop. I need to find Jack. I don't even know if I can find Jack since Pops are just so popular right now, and if I wanted to find a Jack one, it's probably be like hundreds of dollars. But yeah, I have a Sally one. This white pumpkin room spray smells so good from Bath & Body Works. And then finally, this is supposed to be like a candy jar. Found this at Dollar Tree. It has a cat. And then we picked this up at Target. This was featured on a story last year, but yeah, this is like a wine bottle holder. We have some lights in here, but I don't know if I'm going to put those up or not. And yeah, that's pretty much everything that is in this crate. So are you ready to fallify this house?
Yes.
Let's do it.
No.
Okay, at least you didn't break it or anything, so that's good. Oh, babe. Our cameraman got distracted, ladies and gentlemen. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's chaotic. I don't know why, but these videos are always chaotic. Even though I plan for them, somehow they still turn out chaotic. And oh my gosh, I said the word chaotic like 3 times. Ugh. If you like this video, give it 2 little thumbs up, comment, tell me I can do better. And if you're new here, hi, you should totally subscribe and hit that notification button so that you know every time that I post a new video. Until next video, you guys, always remember to stay bright, stay awesome, and stay beautiful. Bye! John, I don't know if you want to say bye.
Bye. Woo!
Whatever. Oh.
Woo!